Right, I'm gonna get a nice cold start, smooth video for you all. Oh, why does everything have to be so long, man? This is meant to be a happy intro. Oh, you even open a Ford? There you go. Oi, oi, oi. 4 litre Quattro V8. Don't worry, boys. I will get that cold start video. I don't think it's gonna reach me. Ready for this cold start, boys? Oh. Okay, 0 to 60. Do a proper launch, yeah? 3, 2, 1. It didn't get to 60, bro. If you guys want more cold start clips in the future, then let me know, man. And I'm sorry that it was disturbed. The V8 was disturbed by that beautiful TDI in the background. But obviously this isn't gonna start without that. But anyway, oh, bloody hell, mate. Migrant's having a suitcase party over there. Did you see him? What it is, you just gotta level up the lever, not lever. No leather in here, mate. There you go, that's it. Look, you feel the pin and boom. But now the school kids there, so better shut that, look the other way. But yeah, man, £50 Minge Mobile. And we know how we've got this thing on this channel. We've got a Golf, the main car. It's got 11 previous owners. This has got 12, which is less of a shock because it's older. But this is the original Bonnie Blue. Now this car is actually a sluzzer, mate. This car's a slag. This car's been around. Everyone's had a turn on it. Don't get me started on that. But yeah, still for 12 previous owners, it's flying, man. Look, it'll fit for any gap like this, straight through it, pal. Oh, what is this new trend of everyone disrespecting me and just pulling out in front of me? Your mum should have pulled out, mate. Anyway, no, let's not get too into the nitty gritty. The cars come with something extra. Usually I'm getting phone holders and chargers. This one, R. Kelly Greatest Hits Collection, mate, Volume 1. You've even got ignition, remix. Actually, that's probably a bad thing that the car came with, actually. R. Kelly CD, how I see it, yeah. If someone's famous to that level, they're all a bit tapped anyway. So why are we all acting surprised? I still like his music. That doesn't make me a bad person. I don't like the guy. I just like the sounds of something that he made. I'm gonna say it with chest, I'm not gonna lie to you. If someone does get like hated, publicly hated, or do something so tapped, if I like the song, I like the song, mate. I'm not even listening to the lyrics. Most of the time I just like, well, like the sound of it. It sounds good. I don't even listen to the lyrics. Right, I'm gonna start filming in a bit because there's just bare school kids around. Okay, yeah, we're back, mate. How's there still school kids here? Do you know how far I've driven out? What, is the Pied Piper back or something, trying to take these men away? Like, where do you even live in a hay barrel? There's nothing up there. There's literally nothing. Unless they're going to the Porsche dealership after school. No, it's mad, innit? It's how the other half are living. Not this bag of shit. I'm on about the Porsche dealership behind it. I haven't been to a dealership in years, mate. I've never bought a car from a dealership. I've always just bought auction or private or just somewhere else. The day I buy a car from a dealership, I've made it, mate. Until that day, we're out here working, pal. Oh, bruv, I've killed a bird. I've done it. I've actually killed a bird. I can't believe I've killed a bird, bruv. Oh, and his mum's gone to check up on him. I've killed a bird. Oh, nah, it's fucked. Can you see it? Nah, there's no... Oh, nah, this guy's here as well. Oh, pressure, bro. I don't know what to do, man. Nah. Bro, I feel so guilty. Nah, I've actually just sinned, mate. I don't think I'm ever gonna drive like that again. Wait, this is a good little chicane. Man said I killed a pheasant. Who the fuck is a pheasant? In 2025, you're a pheasant. Obviously, I didn't do it on purpose. My brakes, well, not even my brakes, my tyres weren't really there to save the day either. But ultimately, it's my fault. I killed a pheasant. lot of you say in the comments, why do I have so much trust in the car? You just gotta say Bismillah and you're fine, innit? That's how I see it, bro. You lot be sending pictures of your knob to random girls that you've not even known for 5 minutes, and you're on about how do you just trust a random car. You lot are taking way more of a gamble than I am. Rush hour as well now, man. Right, we're gonna hit this gap. You ready? Oh, I can't see Nish, mate. Woo-hoo! Steady on, love. What is going on today? Why do I keep nearly writing the thing up? Stupid pheasant. Stupid Yaris as well. Oh, chill, man. Why all these bloody Yaris? You see what she's doing now? Why is it all these Yaris drivers are moving crazy recently? All of them. Yaris drivers, you're all speds. Still spinning, still spinning. What do you reckon to this? Bit of ambient lighting, mate. 835 AMG. Look, change the colour there. It's going to do it again. You ready? Wow! And as you can see, it lights up the whole car as well. It handles not that good. I mean, it's not the worst handling car I've driven. Do you guys like me going like wiggling around street to street, or do you prefer the country lanes? I feel like this is quite interesting and satisfying to watch. You tell me, mate, which one's easier to have a tug to, the other one or this one? Where'd you like watch my video? I'm presuming you watch them from bed, right? What, just late at night, you've just seen the notification and you watch it? That's what I'm guessing. Surely you don't pause everything. Wait, there's a new POV Yaris out. Do I hold that much weight in importance to your life? Surely not. But let me know, man. I'm intrigued where you're watching. And I'm not talking country, mate. I'm talking which type of furniture you're watching from. Bed, couch, what is it, man? What are you braking for? Like, oh, come on, G. You can get a bus through there. Oh, did you hear that brake? Brake's grinding. I think I need new brake pads, mate. And I didn't need them at the start of the drive. I know, I'm kind of liking this new style, mate. 30 mile an hour everywhere. We're fuel efficient, mate. The videos are going to be cheaper to make this, mate. Look at that. Look at the fat kid just running. Oh, sorry, this is the car POV channel. So yeah, as you can see, the instrument clusters look great when you've got the lights on. I tried to be a car POV channel, but what do you want me to say? Like, we've always got cars like this. Yeah, it's got, it works, it's got a heater, and the handbrake is not working. But other than that, there's not really much else I can say, which is why we end up getting sidetracked, which is why we can't even technically be a car chat. There's kids in the park. So, is someone's house on fire, mate? Someone set fire to the field. This is what I mean. There's just too much stuff happening. Like, I tried to give you some enthusiastic journalism on the thing, and all I pointed out is that it came with a R. Kelly CD. That's not even a spec. So I'm going to try and give you some facts about the car without getting sidetracked, because we are a car channel, innit? Every time I go over a bump in this car, it feels like something's falling off. A bit like me. Views have not been popping recently. Even that, you don't even have to watch my video, just keep it on in the background, innit? Put some money in my pocket. Not to get sidetracked again. Okay, so the brakes on this particular motor vehicle are shit. They're so shit. They're in an unexceptional state. AKA wank, innit? Thanks, mate, but you know what I mean? You could get a bus through there sideways. 10 likes, I'm gonna punch a bus driver, take his bus. Horn sounds like my laugh. Just going on a late night drive, mate, with the missus. I've got to keep mine on because you've not bought a jump starter kit. Reviewing the 07 plate, only 18 years later than release. Piccanto 1, yeah?
Yeah, trust me, mate.
What's this pushing?
I think about
90 quid.
In a V8 with a whole load of white blowing smoke, either way shit they can't put this.
Are you slapping some V power in it? Yeah, it looks cold. Cold. What damage is that? That's dirt, mate. Flew through MOT. My RPMs increase when I turn the lights on. Listen. Okay, cool. I've not really filmed in the dark because I just feel like you can't see nothing, but name of whoa! Oh, lucky I had the Fiesta sport brakes, mate. Come. Nah, the Piccanto's had me, mate. Woo! Yeah, what? Name another car channel that's racing Piccanto with the 07 Fiesta. That's what I thought. Niche, mate. You've come up with nothing. Mine's rapid, innit?
Yeah.
It must be remapped. Yo, I can't lie, the Piccanto's not that visually pleasing.
It's actually, I think it's gone up.
I swear they're inflating. Boys, if you're hearing him, grab a Piccanto rapid. They're going up by the minute.
GT3 RS, yeah.
Get a Piccanto, mate. This would fly out though, innit, on Facebook. Oh, you got leathers. Oh, partial leathers.
Partial leathers, innit? 99 names of Allah, this ain't crashing, bro.
Nah, I think the brakes have a little bit of say there as well, mate.
Get it gone, man.
No one taking it. Should have bought the newer one. I bought a shed. Look, do you hear the vertical?
Yeah. How'd you got that?
I remapped it. Nah, pop and bang map.
Yo, that just sounds...
Yeah, it's popping and banging, mate.
Is that because there's a hole in it?
Nah, because I made no.
I think so.
Nah, I don't think so, you know.
Didn't you want to opt in for the black package?
Okay, it might be a bit of a push, hear me out. It pops and bangs, smokes a Piccanto, and his lap is blue. EA 888. Should I turn the light on, interior light? Oh, it don't even work. Never mind. Need to catch up, man. Look, Piccanto's edging. He's edging me, mate. Picasso's in the way, mate. Pretty intense footage, this, innit? Nah, man's trying to whirl me, mate. Man's trying to whirl me out of the QS track going nowhere. I feel like the Piccanto must weigh less because it's got a good launch, a good 0 to 60, but in the highest speeds, I am getting him on a rolling race. This is pretty intense information for the Rizzy channel. I feel like no one's ever searched that ever though. 07 Fiesta versus 2010 Piccanto. It's unique consumer information, mate. Look, he's trying to prank me here, mate. Look, I'm hooking, mate. Quattro. I ain't going nowhere. Full Haldex service. Wait, let me put it in dynamic.
Oh
God. Naturally aspirate. Better than your lot's turbo.
Make sure you cover these f***ing plates.
I will cover these hot cars, man. People be cloning them and shit. It's Piccanto, innit? The whole video I've been calling it Picasso.
Here's a piece of art, I'm not gonna lie.
You just got no chin.
See how M3s have creases and all that?
That's not a crease, my brother, that's a dent.